Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out one of my videos. I do hope you stick around. If you like what you see and join the fam, I would love it so much. Thank you. So yeah, I'm looking the same as I did in the last few videos because I'm filming a lot of videos tonight. I have one more to do, and this is the FabfitFun-Editor's box. I already got my summer box. I also got the Pinterest box, which is a different video, which I don't know which one of these is going up first. That one, you'll have to watch the video to see if I liked it. But for anyone who has not seen these before or who does not know anything about FabfitFun, what is FabfitFun, you might say? Well, let me tell you. I feel like I'm in school. Okay, FabfitFun is $49.99 quarterly. So you are getting 4 boxes a month. They are themed around summer, around spring, around fall. I know my seasons, and winter. We just got our summer box. I thought it was fabulous. Some wonderful things. I love these boxes because they are not just makeup. I love makeup subscription boxes, but this has makeup, lifestyle, home goods, and exercise and fitness. And they come with a little magazine that tells you all about the products and the prices and the value of everything, on tips on how to use them and how they curated the box and all of that amazing stuff. So I think that there are coupons that are floating around. I might have one. If I do have one, I will put it in the description box. If I don't have one, because I really don't think I make anything off of it, you can go on my subscription addiction or subscriptionaddiction.com. I'll link that below, and you can find coupons to get $10 off. And mine came with all these like stickers on it. Somebody was like writing on this box, like somebody named Greg and Anthony, and I'm hoping like this is like an okay box. I'm gonna have to cut this one. I normally don't cut my boxes. Hoping it's not like a used box or something. That's so weird. But anyway, okay. This looks to me like it is just, or is it not? Is this the same magazine that we got in our summer box? I'm really not sure. The editor's box usually is like additional stuff from the summer box, but this one says your box is full of secrets and we are sharing them. This magazine is adorable because they give you, as I said, ideas about the products and things like that. And I'm not going to read it just yet because I kind of want to be surprised. And here it says, a note from us. Well, what's in the box? Oh, this is interesting. Normally, everything that's in the box is in the magazine, so this is something new. It says that FabfitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're especially excited to introduce the editor's box. We handpicked each item with you in mind, not me particularly, I don't think. Filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It is one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. We'll see. I will look at this. Now this I need my glasses for. Okay, and we're ready. So inside the box, I'm going to show you. The paper was kind of ripped a little bit, so that's why I'm saying, this is interesting. This is an interesting box. But they give you a coupon for Ish that you can use. It's not that great. And Summer and Rose. So those are some of the things in here. $50 off of 2 orders on HelloFresh. I'm still trying to decide whether I'm going to do that or not. And let's see what we got. Okay, we got something from Wish, or with the W. I don't know how you want to say it, but we have gotten something before, a like nourishing mask, which I really enjoy. I still have a little bit of left. This is a rice, milk, and rose creme cleanser, and it purifies and cleanses. It soothes and moisturizes. It is everything free, essentially. It is paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, DEA and TEA free, petrochemical free, cruelty free, Leaping Bunny certified. That's a lot of frees, and good for the bunnies. And Yeah, so this is pretty cool. I'm excited to see more information and what's the cost of this. The next thing we have is a spongel. Now these silly things, I don't know if you know what they are. What shape is this one? This is like the little flower shape. These things are sponges, body sponges, but with the product inside. And let me tell you, you get a lot of use out of them. I've gotten these in the FabfitFun box before, and I absolutely love them. So it's body wash and a buffer, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. So not the massaging, but this one is papaya yuzu, and I love papaya. Papaya is a wonderful enzyme for exfoliating your skin. So I'm happy about that. I don't remember how much they are, but we're going to find out. The next thing is from Tula. I know that this is an expensive skincare brand. It is a probiotic skincare dual phase skin reviving treatment pads, and we are getting 5 of them. Ooh! I am super happy to see what these are. It says for baby smooth skin. Cannot wait to read the pamphlet to find out the price and everything else. Next thing we have is from 8 Other Reasons, and it is jewelry. Of course, it's all tangled. You can dress me up, you can't take me anywhere. This is currently a tangled mess, so I'm going to try to untangle it and show it to you. I can tell you it is silver. I can tell you it's a pain in the butt because it's tangled. Aha! That is super pretty. It is silver, it has beads here, and it's like a little lariat. That's beautiful. Me likey. I like that a lot. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'm happy about that. Where can I put this so it doesn't get destroyed? I'm gonna go put it there. The next thing that I am pulling out is from Hava, and it is the Mineral Dead Sea Water Hand Cream. Let's try it. Very thick. It does have that mineral type of smell. It's not like that fun, fruity, yummy type of smell. It smells like one of those it's doing something good for your skin type of thing. My skin does feel, you know what, I have a nice little dry patch on my elbow. Let's see what that does. I can't seem to get rid of this dry patch on my elbow. I don't know. I put everything on it you can imagine. I've used scrubs, I've used creams. Let's see if this works. Whereas my band-aid is falling off too. I told you I'm a mess. I'm gonna let that sit on there and rub that in and see what happens. But I'm happy that I got this. I love hand creams. I go crazy for them. The next thing in the box is, I think this is the other option that I could have gotten in my summer box, and I think I'm happy that I got this because I saw it on other people's, and I was happy. I was sad that I didn't get it. Ooh, it's got one. Oh, it's got one of those moisture thingies. Okay, this is a travel makeup case. Let me undo it here. It smells very vinyl-y though. This is pretty. It's beautiful on the inside. It's fairly deep, and what I remember about this was the top has a zipper and then has a little section for brushes right here. So I'm happy that I have this now, so that's super cute. This next thing, I'm not sure. So we're gonna find out. Got like this little Aztec design to it. It's either a throw or a towel, or has an interesting smell. Looks like a magic carpet. I'm assuming this is a towel, but I think it's a towel or a tablecloth, or oh, it's from Trina Turk. Why does that sound familiar? I don't know, but I think it's a brand. It sounds familiar, but I don't know what this is exactly, but whatever it is big. and it's really pretty. I'm really liking it. I just got to find out what it is. So how about we do that? Gonna look, oh my goodness, things are flying everywhere. Going to look at the card and it will tell me everything that is in my box. So we have the Yumi Kim travel case that I showed you. And yeah, remember, that thing was expensive. $58? I would never pay $58 for it, but I am glad that I have it. This train case is large enough to store your favorite beauty products and features 2 separate compartments with zipper closures so you can keep things organized. It's a decent size. It's not that deep, but it's pretty decently sized, so I like it. The next thing is the Ahava. Yeah. Mineral hand cream. Experience the wonders of the Dead Sea. No passport required. This mineral-rich hand cream instantly improves skin's moisture, oh my goodness, smoothing dry, rough skin, and restoring suppleness. This is $33. I'm not liking, as I said, I don't really like the scent because it smells minerally, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But if it does a good job, I'm checking my elbow right now. I'm hoping that it does a good job, and that's $33. The Spongel sponge here, I like it. These retail for $16. I wish I remember, does it say how many uses you get? It doesn't say how many uses you get, but I can tell you that you do get quite a bit of use out of it. Oh, the other thing, you could have gotten Foreo or Foreo Luna. I did get that in my summer box. That was valued at $89. I did not get that. It also tells you the total retail of this box is $301.50 to $336.95. What I did get, because it says the other option, was to get the Trina Turkish towel. Say that 3 times fast. So it's a towel. Inspired by California's multicultural creative landscape, this oh so soft, I will agree with that, it is cotton. Towel features a beautiful contemporary design that you can take with you to all of your summer activities. Oh, so you can use it, I don't know if this is so pretty, I don't know if I'd want to use it at the beach or anything like that. I also probably wouldn't use it out of the shower. I don't know, it's beautiful. I like it, I'll put it that way. Okay. Oh, do you know there was something else in the box? And okay, this is the Luminizer, the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. We actually got one of these. Did I get this one in this box or the last box, my summer box, or the box before? But I already have one of these, so I'm probably going to add this to one of the giveaways that I'm doing because I have a ton of primers, just saying. But this is valuable too. This little puppy, I can tell you, let me find it. This is $38, so that money, but I like it. It's a luminizer primer, and I can tell you I've used it. It really does work. It does a beautiful job. You'll like it. It doesn't have too much of that dimethicone slip, but it's not too dry either. Yeah, it's really good. I said $38 for that one. You could have gotten that or the Ish Lip Statement palette. I'm so glad I got this, but I probably would have given the Ish away because I have the Ish palette as well. So, but I'm glad I got that. And the Ish palette is $42, which I hardly use my Ish palette. I'm not a lip palette person. I will put it on in the morning, but then you can't take it with you to work, so you just wind up having to take another lipstick with you. But it is a nice palette, $42. I don't think so. Okay, so there were 3 things that you could have gotten. You could have gotten the Understated Leather and Free People Story eye mask, which I have already. I got that in my summer box. You could have gotten, and that was valued at $40. The other thing you could have gotten was the 8 Other Reasons Lariat, Landon Lariat, and that is $48. It comes on a card like this, like you kind of find in, not saying anything, but like Claire's. Do you know what I mean? Like, for me, I would think for $48 it would come in a little gift box. It's just me. You give me your opinion. That's just me. The other thing you could have gotten, which I kind of wish I did get, was the Purely's Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, and that would have been valued at $45. The other choice that you could have gotten, 3 different things. You could have gotten the Wish Beauty Rice, Milk, and Rose Creme Cleanser or Cream Cleanser, and that is valued at $24. It's a cleanser. It's a cleanser. You could have gotten the Makeup Drop Winter Glitz. So glad that's one of those silicone sponges, makeup sponges. No, that's valued at $20. I'm so glad I get that. And then I wish I had gotten this. You could have gotten the Magi Sports Trigger Point Ball. We got one of those extra, like, roller things for like your back and stuff, which I'm gonna need in like a couple of minutes because I've been sitting out here for like 3 hours. But this is just like a ball, and like you could roll it and like roll up against it, and that is $24.99. That would have been really nice. The last 2 options that you could have gotten would be the Korres Shower Gel in Japanese Rose, and that would have been valued at $18.50. Or you could have gotten the Tula Dual Phase Skin Reviving Pads. Let me read up on this since this is what I did get. Reveal brighter, visibly smoother skin after just 1 use. The cotton pads are soaked in skin-loving ingredients that exfoliate your skin in the most yet gentle, effective way. I am skincare junkie. If you watch me, you know that I'm a skincare junkie, so I'm very excited about this. I'm very excited about both of my boxes. It's like Christmas for me, and I get super excited when I get these. But that is it for this video. In here, as I said, this gives you, again, I'm sure they're going to talk about the products. They give you information about going onto the site. Again, they tell you about the customization, the memberships that you can join, the top-rated oh my goodness, the top-rated FabfitFun products that they have here, because you can go on and buy them too at a certain point. And this is cool. I need to frame this. And the adventure begins, because my life is an adventure, like you have no idea. So that is it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. If you get FabfitFun, let me know what you got in your box, how you liked it, what you're doing with it, what you love, what you don't love, and all the juicy information about it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and spending some of your time. If you are new here and you would like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you'd like to come back and see some more of my craziness, because we just have a lot of fun here. Just want you to know I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys. You're the best. I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing week. I hope you are all enjoying the heck out of your summer, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.